Hey guys, so a quick update. It looks like Stressmonster101, who is good friends with Victor. Victor, of course, is the name I cannot pronounce, and that's his real name. In Sweden, I was told by a victim this. I have Victor's full name. He's got three different names. I'll call him VFL. His name is public information because he's a public persona, so he has no privacy in his name, right? And Stress Monster, I believe her first name is Natalie, and he's also a public persona. YouTubers are public personas. I am one as well. Well, in Sweden, as long as you know the person's name, you can just Google it into a website. There are multiple websites, but the website that I found, and I'm not going to reveal the information, was mer, M-E-R, info.se. So if you do have his name and you do have her name, you can type it into the website and it'll show you that they are indeed living together or they have lived together. I don't know how recent the updates are. So Stress Monster 101 has decided that in addition to leaving or resigning Hermitcraft with our good friend Victor, that she posted the first really positive comment even before. So this video was posted 23 hours ago. I got canceled. She posted it almost immediately after the video was uploaded, and I'm sure that Victor informed her that, hey, I'm going to post this video. It would be really great if you showed me some support. That her channel has since been deleted or privated. The reason that I think it's been privated rather than deleted is I can still see her comment on Victor's YouTube page, and it has 26,000 likes. So it was really important for Victor that she show support and not delete her YouTube. Now she has so what has she deleted? Or what has she made private? She's made private all her videos, and she's deleted her profile picture and her banner. YouTube banner, which also has Victor on it. It's a pretty interesting thing because, and initially I thought, yes, he must have left due to how close the resignation was. If you watch my video about Stress Monster 101, coming from the outside, she left with to support and to show support to her friend Victor. Okay? There is no other explanation to why she would leave, right? During that time period. Like I said, if she wanted to disassociate herself with Victor, she could have just waited a week or two, and then it would be a time difference where people are not connecting the two. She must have left to support him, which I said, and many people disagree, because I believe the Hermits wanted to separate this issue, and they were telling people it wasn't this issue, but it was. So weirdly, Sweden has people's address, telephone numbers public by default. When you Google his real name, several websites are showing they live together. After a month, they blocked some of the websites in Sweden from authorities. Of course, we can't share the information like doxing, but some of them are still there. And I confirmed just this morning, before publishing this video on the same day, that yes, indeed, the information is still there. So, very interesting law in Sweden. I don't know. You do have to kind of wonder. I do ask this question because a victim did approach me. Is like, if you can easily Google the information about him, wouldn't you know that he was living with Stress Monster at the time that you were in a relationship with him? Because it seems like it's information that is quite easy to obtain, at least in Sweden, that they are living together. This is a pretty bizarre thing that she has privated, or you don't know the videos. You don't know if she's privated the videos or deleted the videos, but I do know she has deleted the deleted her profile picture and, most importantly, the banner with our good friend Victor. So will she return? Will she not return? Who knows? Her Patreon is still active, so that's interesting to me. But again, the Patrons are always active, to be quite frank with you. Even during cancellation, the most important thing is to keep your Patrons active so you have some type of income. So let me know what you guys think about this situation or not. I guess it's still very contentious. People ask, why did I have to limit the comments? Racism, attacking me, my family. I could go on, but you pretty much understand what type of audience he has, right? They're not the nicest people. I could read you comments, and I don't think you would disagree with me just shutting off the comments for now. Eventually, I'll get my time. I just wait. I mean, I've been on YouTube for much longer than Victor, and one thing about YouTube is you always have time. You always have time, and time will always prove whoever is right. So back to my initial assessment of this situation, I still stand by the victims. I think they are victims. Is it criminal? Is it civil? No, I do not think it is any of that. Is it kind of weird? Is it kind of nasty? Is it kind of things that I personally disagree with? Yes. And because of that, I will continue to make videos. Like, I didn't even know this guy existed until after he did the bad acts, right? But now that I do know he existed, you can be sure I will make as many videos about this dude as I want. Because that's my right as an American citizen. That is my right as a YouTuber located in Houston, Texas. And yeah, defamation, all this stuff. Like, come sue me, man. Because I got something for you, man. It's called countersuit. Because you have, I will put it this way. Like, people are so upset that supposedly he got canceled that they're going out and doing the same thing to other people, including myself, trying to cancel them. And again, I can read you these comments. They're very nasty and very vile comments, right? So I'm kind of wondering. All I need to know, so you don't need to tell me who you are. All I need to do is see who your friends are and what type of friends or what type of community you build. His community is incredibly toxic. So they watch a video about their favorite content creator being canceled. And in their mind, what they should do is they should cancel the hermits. They should cancel other smaller YouTube channels who comment critically about him. That's your community. Enjoy it until it turns on you. And it will turn on you. Anyway, bye guys.